Seconds tiles at Clay Squared are tiles that we can't use for our regular projects. So they might have a blemish or have issues with them. So we have some different sort of samples here to show you. So this one is the avocado, which is a perfectly good tile. And this is sometimes what will show up in the kilns. It was turned matte or had a little strange reaction. And then we have some other tiles here that would have a little blemish, so something, a foreign object comes on, or little bubbles that show up, and we can't use those. And sometimes when we're making the tiles, we might drop it, or as they're touching each other, we chip it and break it as we're moving them around. And then lastly, we have little drip tiles or little lines that show up for whatever reason. And they turn out to be great tiles for other projects, just not for the ones that people order. So how do you purchase Seconds tiles? So first, you can purchase our tiles right online, or you can come into our showroom and we have an entire display of them that you can purchase. And they come in basically 3 different sort of options. One is picking up a whole bunch of colors in either one size or multiple sizes. Some people just want to have the colors being one color and one size, or multiple different sizes as well. And then we have shape tiles that we get as seconds, so you can get a variety of sizes and shapes and sort of play around with that. We put it into a flat rate shipping box and we ship it to you. It's about 3 or 4 square feet and it's $45 and shipping is included.